So now we're going to go over here an amazing indicator called the Firestorm FX 2.0. So this is part of the Firestorm trading indicators. If you don't know already, we specialized in making an amazing indicator for binary options, and we ended up expanding and branching out to coming up with indicators that work great for stocks, Bitcoin, basically all cryptos, indices, and currencies. So you could take these indicators, any one of our indicators, and actually put them on a higher time frame and be able to gain some massive profits. If you go to Firestorm Trading on Instagram, just search Firestorm Trading, you will see on Instagram we have hundreds and hundreds, almost thousands of results of people seeing great results with this indicator, and you will be able to have access to those right on our website. Our website will be in the link in the description, and you will learn how we do everything here. I'll come with step-by-step videos, and enough of my rambling. Make sure you subscribe and join us here where we'll be doing videos more often. And let's dive into this. So as you can see up here, I'm sure you're probably wondering, what is this 80%? This is actually the accuracy of this indicator hitting take profit 1 and 2. So this indicator will call out buys and sells, and you will be able to see the momentum of those buys and sells using our Firestorm momentum indicator. So if you don't know already, this indicator is so awesome. It's some of people's favorite indicators out there. So basically what it does is it gathers all the pivots, oscillators, moving averages, and puts them all into a summary, and it shows you where the trend's going. So if instead of having all of those moving averages and oscillators and pivots and all those things on your screen and basically cluttering up everything, you can have them all in a little box down here, and it will show you that 23 out of all these indicators point to a buy, 7 are neutral, and 2 point to a sell, giving you a 71% accuracy of the market continuing up. As you can see, a buy was just recently called on Bitcoin on the 1-minute chart. However, you can bump this up to the 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, whatever you choose. And basically, I'm just going to briefly go over here. It will give you the stop loss. It will give you the entry. It will give you take profit 1 and 2. You can expand these however big you want to. It won't just be this small. If you want it to be more longer term trade you're looking for, then definitely follow the step-by-step trading, adjust it to your liking. You'll be able to see the accuracy of it, and you can go from there. So you can also tie this into an ATR if you want to, or the support and resistance, whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever your trading strategy is, you can tie this into it and make it really efficient. I created this to help tremendously with calling out trades and giving me my stop loss, entry, take profit 1 and 2. So what do I mean by that? When you right click here, this indicator has an alert system where you'll be able to basically set it for a buy or a sell and do once per bar close or once per bar, and it will notify you on your app or pop up on the computer or send an email to you. And what it will do is, in this message down here, this is the little magic, is it will say a buy signal on Bitcoin. Your entry will be, let's just say 41,819.11. So as you know, $41,799, let's just say, and 56 cents. That would be right there. Then it would say your stop loss, and then it would say take profit 1 and 2 and tell you when to take your take profits. Or you could just move your stop loss to your take profits and let it ride. So that's 10. That's what I basically do. I tend to do that a lot. But I do use these indicators daily. I love using them. They are seriously great. They make my life very efficient. So I don't have to sit there and stare at the charts all day. When I see a move happening, I get an alert on it. And it's like, okay, let's go. I didn't have to sit here if it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm not typically sitting at my desk trading because I'm out to dinner. I literally can get an alert on my phone, take the trade, and I have an 80% accuracy of it hit and take profit one and 72% accuracy of hitting take profit two, which is pretty amazing with zero analysis. That's just going straight off of the signal. So you always want to put your own analysis into it. You want to be able to follow other things. And that's about it. I just want to briefly go over this real quick and tell you that the Firestorm FX is basically geared towards that. So as you can see back here, if you go back a little bit, there is some more trades that hit take profit. There's some more. Here's some little ones. You can get these to get bigger. This is just a 1 minute chart, by the way. This could be, you can work off of a much higher time frame and be able to catch way more pips, way more pips. So like with this one, this one was basically 5,000. This one was a nice move too. Here's another nice one. They're small, but they're also on the 1 minute chart. You can go up to a higher time frame if you want to. Let's go to a 15-minute real quick. Oh, here's a 15-minute. So as you can see, way more pips to be had here. And right here was a beautiful trade, beautiful trade. And as you can see, the accuracy is still great, 84% and 76%. So that's amazing. And here's another beautiful trade. Here's another one. You could have just parked your stop loss right at the top of take profit two or take profit one once it met those conditions over the course of 2 hours. So you would have watched it and made sure it was getting close to it over those 2 hours. And then you could have literally just like left your stop loss right here and took a take profit right up here before it hit that support line, which would have been some amazing pips. Right down here, great move. So it's honestly an amazing indicator. Like I said, I use it daily. Like this, for instance, know how I told you I always put my stop loss at take profit 1 or 2. Well, if you let that ride, she went all the way up there, and honestly, she's continuing. I would have just left it there and saw what happened when Monday opened up or over the weekend and everything. Forgot. Crypto doesn't close on the weekends. But that's about it. If you want more information, go to firestormtrading.com and see you soon.